What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode here on Ray's Night Shift, where we talk about everything streaming related. So all you new streamers out there, I'm talking to you. Not to say I'm the one that's been out there for 10 years like some of these other streamers, but you know what? I know enough about multimedia, I know enough about building a business to help you guys out that are just looking to get started. This video is going to be for everybody that's looking to start getting into streaming and really either hasn't made their channel or they just started and they're looking for a little more information. So if you're just starting, I want you guys to think about your stream as a potential business, because let's be real, we all know you can make money on Twitch, but how likely are you to actually make any kind of revenue that's really worth your time? Like, are you better off opening up a lemonade stand on the side and enjoying that with your friends compared to grinding with a donut viewer, not, just trying to grind in those hours and getting literally zero engagement from an audience? So really, it's going to come down to what you're looking for. If you just want to stream to your friends, it's going to be a lot easier compared to someone that's really trying to make money on Twitch or really gain a following in general. So I want to help you guys with that, and I'll give you guys my insight on what it's like starting a Twitch stream. Real quick, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. We are on our way to 100 subscribers now. Our channel isn't very big here on Ray's Night Shift, but I am doing what I can to provide value for you guys. So if you like the content, by all means, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below what you think on this. So the first thing we should look at, aside from looking at our stream as a business, is figuring out what we're going to be streaming. And I think the best thing you can do is pretty much, what do you talk to your friends and family about? Like, what are you looking at on YouTube? Aside from this sweet video, of course. Honestly, what are you looking on YouTube? Are you looking at comedy videos? Are you always looking at, action shot, cinematic type stuff where you're a filmmaker? Are you always gaming and checking out these gaming channels? Are you cooking? What exactly do you do on your free time that makes you, well, you? So one thing that kind of bums me out about smaller streamers not having a structure is that they're not ready for when they get a big audience. Lately, I've been seeing videos about these big streamers gifting like 500 subs, right? And it's such a bummer because these small streamers will automatically get flooded by thousands of people watching them, and they're not used to it. So they just freak out and they're just like, I love you, so-and-so, you're the best. I watch you all the time. And that's great and all. But the fact that they're frozen just ruined an opportunity, and I don't want that to happen to you because I want you to be working on your stream. Now, I'm not used to tens of thousands of people watching me, right? But if the opportunity was ever to come up, I'd be like, hey guys, this is who I am, this is what I do. If you want to rock with me, by all means, rock with me. But I have something laid down because I am working on this stream, not just on Twitch, but here on YouTube. This takes time and effort. And you're going to notice that once you create your channel, that it's going to take time and effort as well outside of streaming to actually build up a community. So that would be my biggest tip for beginners is don't really think about the money, because honestly, it's going to be very difficult. You have to get around $100 or so in Twitch subs or bits in order to cash out that money anyway. Well, at least that's how it is right now in 2021. I don't know about the future. It takes a long time. You figure you only get half of the subscription that's given to you. The other half goes to Twitch, and well, I'm assuming taxes still come into play. So yeah, don't worry about the money. It's not going to change your life. What you should be worried about is, how am I going to build a community, like a meaningful community? And that's going to come with your storytelling, your persona, the way you manage yourself on camera, and how much time you put into your little studio and everything like that. So focus on that more so than I got to get to affiliate, because ultimately the results will show at the end of the day. The next tip I could give you guys is use OBS, not the one that Twitch comes with, not that little starter pack. Trust me, I tried it. It will get you going very easily. But you know what? OBS, it's going to put you in line with everybody else that's a professional streamer. So if you're going to learn something, learn it right, do it the first time, and don't worry about the convenience factor. Again, there's so much things to learn when it comes to streaming, but one thing you really want to take control of is the quality of your stream. So you really don't want to skip on that. So my third tip on Twitch streaming for beginners would be that, you know what? Don't burn yourself out so much on, I have to put in 24 hours into a stream, because it's such a bummer. It really is. Like, I want to tell you guys before you make these mistakes and set yourself up for disappointment. Now, if you're going to do a 24-hour stream, like, nobody knows who you are. So and it's not really easy to find you depending on what game you're streaming or what you're doing on stream. So I really don't want you guys to burn yourself out on these 24-hour streams only to have like a handful of people watch you, and it's just not worth it. I'm serious. I want to help all you guys out. I don't want you guys to fail on your streams. This channel's for you guys, and I really want you guys to succeed on this. So please do me that favor. Do not spend all your time streaming to nobody. Create content on TikTok, create content on YouTube. This is advice that everybody gives, and it's such regurgitated material. So I want to focus more on the business side. Again, I want you guys to create something that you're comfortable doing, whether you're on stream or off, and that's what's going to give you the best chances for success. And it's going to keep this whole thing fun, because when I'm not streaming, I'm working on this YouTube channel. I'm not going to be just right there looking at a big donut of 0 viewers all the time. Be someone that you wouldn't mind being with yourself. Like if we were in the same room together, like you could just be chilling in the corner or whatever, and just we could be vibing. So picture that for your stream. That's what's gonna get like the most attention and the ability to actually, keep an audience. All right, so let me zoom you guys in real quick, because this is pretty serious stuff. I want you guys to know that this channel is for you guys. I really am doing my best to bring up everything I've learned about multimedia over the years, everything I've learned about business, and put it into this channel for you guys. This is a place where, small streamers such as myself can find a way to grow and voice their opinions. So if you have any tips that you'd like to add to this video, go ahead and comment down below, and you can always catch me live on Twitch, which is also Ray's Night Shift. With that said, I'll see you guys on the next one.